A beautiful day as the Dannemans in Boynton Beach, Florida enjoy their pool. Like many pool owners, they love the outdoor oasis they've created.
As you can see, we have a really nice, beautiful backyard. The pool is the main focal point, and I'm sitting outside all the time, so I want something beautiful to be looking at while I'm watching the kids play.
We love to barbecue, we have friends over, so we want it to look good. You know, we don't want an old pool, so we want it really beautiful.
I do think with all the new stuff out there, we could step it up with our pool a little bit. I would love to explore to see what some of the options are.
Definitely, it's getting a little bit dated, and we just want it to look fresh and beautiful.
And there's so many options. It can be very overwhelming. We need some guidance, and honestly, we don't know where to start.
Looking to update the look of their pool, Designing Spaces has invited Miles McKee from SGM Southern Grouts and Mortars to help Greg and Ryan understand the options available.
So I see your guys' wonderful backyard. I know there's some landscaping going on, but tell me about what you guys are trying to do.
Well, we're in the pool, in the backyard all the time. We are just looking to upgrade our pool. We want something that looks a little nicer, and I know there's a lot of options out there.
Our surface, to me, looks a little dated, and I would prefer a different color, honestly.
So great. So it looks like you guys are trying to resurface your pool, which is an easy process. So first thing you want to do is look at your backyard, see where the shadows hit the pool, so then you can get an idea of what kind of color you're going to want to put into the pool. Because picking the watercolor is more important than the finish color. So you want to figure out what color you want the water to be. Deep blue, light blue, a lagoon, dark color. So to find the right surface, you want to know, first of all, what your aesthetics want to be. If you want that lagoon, larger rock look, then you're going to go for a pebble finish. If you want a uniform, beautiful blue that kind of gives off the resort vibe, then you're gonna go for an exposed aggregate finish. That's usually the industry standard, would be an exposed aggregate finish, because it's gonna be the most versatile and it's gonna be the most comfortable.
And what actual product are we picking? Are there different brands?
When you're looking for a product, you first wanna look for somebody that's been in the industry for a long time. You want to find somebody that has tried and true formula. You also want to look for somebody that pre-blends the product in the bag so that there's no worries about somebody bait and switching you or cutting the product. I recommend Diamond Bright. That is our product.
I've heard of it. That's the one I've heard of.
Exactly. SGM Diamond Bright. We've been around forever. We're the inventors of Diamond Bright. We have over 40 years of experience in this industry, and we are confident in every bag of product that we put out. So you know if you're using our stuff that you're gonna get great customer service, you're gonna get a beautiful pool, and you're gonna get exactly what you want.
So how do we get the best look for our pool?
Well, why don't I show you guys some of the projects that we've done in the past, some of the pools that we've finished, and it'll help you guys pick the color and the finish that you guys want for your pool.
That sounds good.
Sounds easy.
With the help of Miles, the Dannemans have resurfaced their pool and are now enjoying their new look. Miles has stopped by to see it for himself.
Wow, guys, the pool came out fantastic. I'm so happy for you guys. What do you think?
We are loving it. We're outside constantly because the kids just want to be in this pool. It's almost like a new pool.
Yeah.
You were right about the light hitting the water and the colors, the way the shadows, it's beautiful.
Well, I'm so happy that you guys got the Diamond Bright Jewels. It's our best finish yet.
I mean, the color, it pops so amazingly. I'm just worried a little bit about the sunlight hitting. It's in direct sunlight all day.
Don't worry about that. The Diamond Bright Jewels, we ceramically coat every single rock, so you don't have to worry about fading. It's our newest, best product. We've spent years innovating it. It's all ceramically coated rocks, so you will not have to worry about UV fading or pH fading.
Great. I see us spending even more and more time out here.
Yeah, we really love it. Anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your help.
I'm so happy for you guys. Thank you for choosing Diamond Bright.
For more information, check out sgm.cc or our website, designingspaces.tv.